Hey everyone, we're going to use double angle and half angle formulas to find exact values. And what we're given is tan of theta equals -4/3, and our angle belongs to quadrant. This is in quadrant 2. So my theta belongs to quadrant 2. Now my half angle, because I have to do the half angle formulas, my half angle is going to belong to quadrant 1. So, because that will be between pi over 4. I'm just dividing everything by 2. Alright, so the first thing let's do is the double angles. And for the double angles, I need to know what sine of theta is and cosine of theta is. Well, I know that this is y over x. And I know we're in quadrant 2. So I know my y, I really should write this, and I'll write it to the side here. My y has to be positive in quadrant 2, so this is 4 over -3. So my x is -3, my y is 4, and my r is 5 because of your Pythagorean triples. So sine's going to be 4 over 5, and cosine's going to be -3 over 5. And then we just use our double angle. Sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine of theta cosine of theta, which equals 2 times 4/5 times -3/5, which equals -24 over 25. Alright, cosine of 2 theta equals cosine squared of theta. I'm just using this formula here. You're welcome to use the other one. So that's going to be -3/5 squared minus 4/5 squared. And this equals 9 over 25 minus 16 over 25, which is -7 over 25. Now my tan of 2 theta, I'm just going to divide sine divided by cosine. So we're going to have -24 over 25 divided by -7 over 25. So that equals 24 over 7. Because these two cancel and two negatives make a positive. Okay, now recall we're going to do the half angle formulas now. Recall that we're back in quadrant 1. That means my sine is positive. Remember, you have that plus and minus, so it's going to be positive 1 minus cosine of theta over 2. And my cosine is positive as well, but that's going to be 1 plus cosine of theta over 2. Now, cosine is what? Cosine is -3/5. So, we're going to have, for sine, we get 1 minus -3/5 over 2, which equals, I'm going to go ahead and write this as 5/5 plus 3/5 over 2, which equals 8 over 10, which equals, reduce it first. You get 4 over 5, which equals 2 over square root of 5, which equals 2 square root of 5 over 5. And for cosine, it's the same thing, because you're going to have 1 plus a -3/5 over 2. So basically, we're just going to get 5/5 minus 3/5 over 2, which gives us 2 over 10, which equals square root of 1 over 10, which equals 1 over square root of 10, which equals square root of 10 over 10. Now for tan, oh, I should have put this over 2. Remember, tan over theta over 2 is the same as sine of theta over 2 over cosine of theta over 2. So basically, I'm just going to take my sine, which is 2 square root of 5 over 5, divide it by my cosine, which is, oh, I messed up. See, I'm glad I did this. This is 1 over 5. Let me erase this. I knew you all caught that. Okay, so when I reduce that, that's 1 over 5. So it's 1 over square root of 5, which is square root of 5 over 5. So square root of 5 over 5. And these two will cancel out. Divided by itself is 1. So our answer is 2. And that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.